With trick-or-treating canceled in many areas of the U.S., boo! Parents are desperately trying to figure out new ways to celebrate. Parenting blogger Clark Russell-Roth, I just butchered your name. Please say it correctly.
You're great.
Say it correctly.
Nestle-Rote.
Nestle-Rote, you are an awesome daddy blogger, so you've got tons of ideas that we can do for Halloween for the entire family. So where do we start?
Oh my goodness, I just have to say, watching my kids these last few days, I have just felt my heart break a little bit thinking about how unusual this year is for them. So I've been trying so hard to find ways to extend the fun and make the magic of the holidays sort of creep into every day they have. And one thing I'm obsessed with right now, Pipsticks is an artisan sticker company. It's a subscription sticker service on pipsticks.com, and you sign up, and our subscription this month, they sent us this crazy Halloween countdown advent calendar with more stickers, sort of custom designed stickers you could possibly imagine. Their creative director, Mo Vasquez, is a genius, and my kids are obsessed with this. Each day has its own surprise sticker offering.
That is awesome. And I feel like it's a good, remember in school where if you did a good deed, you got like a gold star. So if they are behaving, or if they're, not naughty children, they get a sticker.
To the nth degree. There's hundreds of them. They're amazing, and they're all custom designed by Mo Vasquez. We love her. Next thing, why not get the tree out early? We're stuck at home. We're sheltering in place. Get the tree out. Old World Christmas, which is my favorite ornament company, they make these hand-blown, mouth-blown glass handmade ornaments. Look at this cute jack-o'-lantern. I have my Halloween tree behind me. There's a skeleton. There's a Dia de los Muertos, Frankenstein and his bride. OldWorldChristmas.com. They have thousands of ornaments that will take you from Halloween to Thanksgiving all the way through the holidays.
Oh, wait. Okay, I like this, because when you first said tree, this is not a Christmas tree. This is a Halloween tree.
This is a Halloween tree, but why not put the tree up now and just change the ornaments for each season? This is what I'm saying. How can we make the magic of the holidays extend longer and be even more magical this year? So put the tree up now and have it cover the whole season.
I actually really like this idea, and those ornaments are awesome.
They really are.
I was looking at your blog, and you seem like such an involved dad, and you were saying, hey, for children, this is such a magical time, even though it's Halloween. So we do have to, kind of keep it special for them.
Yeah, if we put the effort in, if we are devoted, my blog is devotedlydaddy.com. If we devote ourselves to their experience, this could actually be the best Halloween in memory, even though it's going to be so different. Kids love light up things of any sort. usatoys.com. You can get this glow-in-the-dark Halloween party kit. It is 15 glow sticks, 3 pumpkin wand toppers. There's I can't even count how many things there are in here. 1 pack, super low price, everything you need. We can't trick or treat this year in the traditional sense, but families want to get outside. I don't know if you've noticed, but strollers are becoming a thing of the past. Families are obsessed with wagons. Go to wonderfoldwagon.com, and I think you might have some photos there. The big trend is parents are putting their kids in the wagon, pulling them along the neighborhood socially distanced to look at ornaments, decorating the wagon. It's a super magical way to enjoy the holidays.
Oh, I'm obsessed with this. That is adorable. And yeah, you get that wagon in and make it part of the costume as well. Do you have any other, I'm sure it's hard for you as a dad during this time too. Do you have any other tips, Halloween games, costume tips for people who are watching at home?
Yeah, create new traditions. The puzzle geniuses at Dowdle Folk Art, dowdlefolkart.com, have a bunch of Halloween puzzles. This is the All Hallows Eve puzzle. This puzzle is made of wood. It's super premium, so you're not gonna have crumpled pieces 10 years later. This can become a Halloween family heirloom. Every Dowdle puzzle, the image is a custom piece of fine art from Eric R. Dowdle, a true genius in the art world. And this is something kids can look forward to doing with their parents every single year. And again, those high quality wood pieces, it'll be in the family for literally generations.
Oh, I love that. Then you can frame it when it's done, right?
Yeah. And lastly, it doesn't have to all be super creepy and kooky, just fun things outside amid the decorations you've put up. If you go to b4adventure.com, they have this mini golf set that lights up. It glows in the dark. It's super fun. Put some Halloween decorations outside. Put a mini golf course up in your yard. And in that time you would have been trick-or-treating, just be outside as a family enjoying the fall air and the decorations and the crispy leaves and all those great things.
Oh, I love this. Clark, I have to ask, how many kids do you have?
I have 2. I have 2 boys, a 7-year-old and an almost 5-year-old.
Oh, good for you. Where can people go for more information on you, your blog, and all the stuff you shared with us today?
DevotedlyDaddy.com. It all comes down to devotion.
Happy Halloween, Clark. Thanks for being with us.
Happy Halloween. Bye.
Back to you guys.